Hi, I'm Buddhika. I'm from Sri Lanka. I'm currently staying in Malaysia as I'm working here. I'm going to tell you about an international event. If you're interested in public speaking and if you wish your voice to be heard by the whole world, this is going to be a really big news for you. World Speech Day 2021. So this time, World Speech Day comes with the theme of humanity at a crossroad. So, if you are a public speaker or if you are interested in public speaking, come and join us on 15 March 2021. You don't want to worry about the language you speak. Just like me, you can choose your own language. අයිබෝවන් මම බුද්ධික මම ශ්‍රී ලංකාවේ මම දැනට මැලේසියාවේ රැකියාවේ නිරත වෙලා ඉන්නවා. ලෝක කතන දිනය 2021 මැලේසියාවේ කුවාලා ලම්පූර් නුවරදී පැවැත්වෙනවා. ඒ සඳහා ඔබ සියලු දෙනාටම මම ආරාධනා කරනවා. Just like that. So come and join us World Speech Day 2021 and make it a memorable day in your life. Thank you.